Continue on North Carolina 226 north for 5 miles.
Local pottery.
226 north for 5 miles.
Yeah.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
There's a soap shed. We're gonna try to find it. It says it's up here. They had some at the restaurant we were just at. They had a couple samples of the soap.
600 feet, make a U-turn.
Blu-ray soap shed.
2 holes on the left, then turn left. Okay. You have to turn left because the road turns left. No, it's a star glass. Oh no. That's a nice little
600 feet,
house.
turn left onto North Carolina 226 north.
Maybe this way? Soap shed. If they're open. Let's see. This is so random. Like, what the fuck? Hi, puppy! Hi, puppy! Oh, he's fast! He's fast! Oh my, he's so fast! Oh, goodness. Is this someone's house or is this an actual business? The Blue Ridge Soap Shed? I feel like there's lights on inside. It says park. Okay.
Go up there and see the guys.
This is very interesting. It's pretty. It's a pretty place. Let's see if they're open. If I'm not out in like 10 minutes, I've probably been murdered, so come get me. Alright, let's see if they'll let us in. Let's see if they're open. To arrange an appointment, you come to the shop. Ring the doorbell, see if we're home. Okay. I guess we're gonna ring the doorbell and see if they're home. I feel like I'm bothering them. So they make all of these soaps. They're gonna start the market. You said you're starting your place on May 1st?
May 1st.
May 1st.
Yeah, we're generally open 6 days a week, 6 months of the year.
Awesome.
And then the
Okay.
rest of the year by appointment or chance, basically.
Okay.
As people can come in. And everything is available on the website.
Awesome. Okay, I'll get your
So,
information
yeah,
before
exactly.
I leave so I can order it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
If you end up liking a particular moisture level or a particular fragrance, you can always get more.
Awesome. Thanks. So they have things packaged, like sample packages, or you can pick your own scent. Like, this is so awesome. Wow, I'm super excited. Okay, I gotta find a few things, and then sage, cedar, and sweetgrass. Okay, these are the ones I picked. I got this one for my outdoor shower. That way the bugs don't bother me. And then I got this one. I like basil and lime, and I like all of these ingredients. So, and then I got this one because I love sandalwood and vanilla plus goat's milk. So I think all of these are definitely winners for me. So that's what I'm gonna get. And I'm gonna take one of these so you guys have the information and you can order it online if you want. Okay, I got a whole bag of stuff. Chris has been out here waiting. There's so many soaps in there. There were so many soaps in there. She said that they've been in business for 21 years. And so they've been in business for 21 years. Her husband is a scientist and he retired. And she said, I put him back to work. They've got a whole room. She like brought out logs. She's like, you can buy it by the log, or if there's something you don't see, I can cut it, or if you want, you know, a double wide bar, I can cut those. Like, she's got stuff made of goat's milk. She's got stuff made of like all these different oils. She's got stuff. She like has like 3 main separate things, and I just happened to get one out of each thing, and she's like, oh my god, you got one of each of the kind that we make.
Oh.
But they've got every scent you could ever imagine.
That
Like,
place was awesome. Though,
yeah, so she gave me this little thing as a travel thing. It's a lavender
travel
cream.
bar?
But
Ooh.
here, I wrote down these, the bars were separate.
Oh.
So you have to write down what they are yourself. So I
Oh.
wrote down the ingredients. I wrote down the name and then the ingredients.
Ooh, cocoa butter, shea butter, basil, lime. Those are all good ingredients.
Right? This one is for bugs, so I figured for the outdoor shower. She said during the summertime, she cuts this into little pieces and puts them around the porch, and it keeps the bugs away. And she said that everybody's stocking up on these right now because it's almost time for
Season.
yep. She said, so those, that's good. And then I got this sandalwood, because you know I love my sandalwood. So this is sandalwood and
Goat's milk?
vanilla
Ooh.
with goat's milk. Yeah, smell that one.
Mmm.
Smell this one. This one smells like citronella-y.
Yep, smells like that leaf.
The thing says it's by appointment or by chance. Like,
If you catch me when I'm home.
yeah, if you catch me when I'm home, then I can help you. If not, then you have to make an appointment. Which, that's awesome.
Yeah.
But
it's
she-
just running it out of your house.
Yeah, she had everything, and she had a whole like soap room where she's like, I can make you anything, I can cut you anything, like they'll ship it to us, like everything.
If you like it, you got her card. She can ship you some stuff.
Yeah, exactly. And she uses all these natural oils and stuff, and so she was like, we use oil, shea butter,
And all the stuff we use.
yeah, and I was telling her, I was like, yeah, I was like, we make a product too for like sunburn relief. I was like, and we use a lot of this and this and this, and she's like, oh yeah, those are all good healing like herbs. And I was like, yeah, like for sure. So I got things that also include some of the things we have, you know what I mean? Like,
stuff that was eucalyptus.
Yeah. so that was awesome. I'm glad that we drove up this
It's a
random
good
little road.
Random find.
Good find, yeah. Super good find. They had pre-made packages of all different like scents that like go together nicely, and like all kinds of stuff.
That's
like,
your type of spot.
yeah,
That's definitely a good random find.
yeah. So good job. Thanks
Cool.
for waiting for me.
Oh yeah, I was about to text you to make sure you were still on.
Yeah, because I was like, if I'm not out in 15 minutes, come get me. They've chopped me up.
Yeah. Turned you into soap.
Turned me into soap. But she was like, yeah, my husband was a such and such scientist. I don't remember what kind of scientist she said. She's like, and he retired. She's like, so I put him back to work.
I'm a scientist too.
I know, I almost told her, I was almost gonna be like, that's kind of like my husband. He helps me make concoctions because he's our
I'm
scientist.
an unofficial scientist.